the morning routine that builds wealth on autopilot. Most people start their day reacting. Alarms they hate, emails that own them, a frantic rush towards someone else's priorities. Then they wonder why wealth feels impossible. The frustration of working hard but never getting ahead starts with how you spend your first hour. Here's what the wealthy understand. Your morning determines your trajectory. The habits you execute before the world wakes up compound silently in the background. While others react to life, you convert it. The difference between building wealth and chasing survival is often just 90 minutes. Most people will never structure their mornings intentionally. They'll keep losing the day before it starts. But you're here because you sense there's a better way. You refuse to let chaos dictate your outcomes. That instinct separates the ambitious from the average. The next few minutes will give you the exact morning framework that puts wealth building on autopilot. Every element is designed for compounding returns. Miss this, and you'll keep starting each day behind. Absorb it, and mornings become your unfair advantage. Think about this for a moment. Every self-made millionaire you admire guards their morning like a vault. They don't stumble into the day hoping things work out. They execute a sequence designed to stack advantages before anyone else is awake. That's not coincidence. That's strategy. The same 24 hours available to everyone become fundamentally different based on how the first 90 minutes unfold. Your morning routine isn't just about productivity. It's about programming your mind, body, and focus for wealth accumulation. When you win the morning, you set the conditions for winning everything else. Before we dive deeper, hit like and subscribe so you never miss our videos, and share this with someone who needs to see it. 9. Non-negotiable wake time. The foundation of a wealth-building morning is consistency. Wake at the same time every single day. No exceptions, no weekend variations. Your body operates on rhythms that reward predictability and punish chaos. When your wake time fluctuates, your energy fluctuates. When your energy fluctuates, your output suffers. Wealthy people don't negotiate with their alarm clock. They've decided the night before that morning discipline is non-negotiable. Inconsistent wake times sabotage everything downstream. You can't build compounding habits on a foundation that shifts daily. Every time you sleep in, you're voting for comfort over growth. Those votes accumulate. They determine who you become over years, not days. The morning you skip becomes the habit you break. Pick your wake time based on what your goals require, not what feels comfortable. Set it tonight, then honor it like a contract with your future self. Start with 5 a.m. if you're serious, earlier if you're ambitious. The world is quiet before 6 a.m. That's when empires get built without interruption. But here's the question that reveals everything. What's actually stopping you from waking up earlier? Because the next element determines whether that extra time gets wasted or weaponized for wealth. Zero technology. For the first hour. The moment you check your phone, you surrender your attention to someone else's agenda. Emails represent other people's priorities. Social media represents algorithmic manipulation. News represents fear designed to capture your focus. Wealthy people protect their first hour like their most valuable asset. Because it is. That hour shapes the mental state you carry into everything else. When you start the day in reactive mode, you stay there. Your brain gets trained to respond instead of create, to consume instead of produce, to react instead of strategize. Every morning you hand your attention to technology. You're training yourself to be an employee of your devices, rather than the architect of your life. Keep your phone in another room while you sleep. Don't touch it for the first 60 minutes after waking. No exceptions. Fill that hour with elements that serve your wealth-building goals. The world will survive without your immediate attention. Your focus cannot survive its constant interruption. Here's the brutal truth nobody wants to hear. If you can't control your phone for 1 hour, you can't control your financial destiny either. Discipline doesn't compartmentalize. It transfers across every domain of your life. And speaking of discipline, physical movement before mental work. Your body and mind are not separate systems. Physical activation in the morning unlocks mental clarity that nothing else can replicate. Movement increases blood flow to your brain. It releases neurochemicals that sharpen focus and elevate mood. Wealthy people don't skip morning exercise because they understand this multiplier effect. 20 minutes of movement pays dividends for the next 16 hours. Skip morning movement and you operate at a fraction of your cognitive potential. The fog that clouds your thinking isn't tiredness, it's stagnation. Your body was designed to move. When you deny it that movement, it retaliates by throttling your mental performance. You can't out-earn a body you're neglecting. You don't need a gym membership or elaborate equipment. 20 minutes of bodyweight exercises, a brisk walk, or simple stretching activates your system. The goal isn't exhaustion, it's activation. Wake your body up and your mind follows. Make this non-negotiable before any screen time or mental work begins. This is exactly what's sabotaging your afternoon energy. People who skip morning movement crash by 2 p.m. They reach for caffeine and sugar to compensate. Then they wonder why their evenings are wasted in recovery mode. Your future productivity is watching what you do in the first hour. If you're serious about implementing a wealth-building system that works while you sleep, check out the VYBO Wealth Blueprint. It's our flagship resource that gives you the complete framework for engineering financial success. Not theory, not motivation, actual systems you can deploy immediately. Link in the description below. Flex Novel. 30 minutes of strategic learning. Your morning brain is fresh and absorbent. This is when learning compounds fastest. Dedicate 30 minutes to reading or listening to material that directly serves your wealth goals. Not news, not entertainment disguised as education. Strategic content that builds the knowledge required for your next level. The wealthy treat morning learning like nutrition for their ambitions. Without daily learning, you're operating on yesterday's knowledge in tomorrow's economy. The world accelerates while you stagnate. Every competitor investing in their education gains ground you'll never recover. 30 minutes daily equals over 180 hours annually. That's enough to master entirely new domains of expertise. Choose one book, one course, or one podcast series aligned with your current goals. Work through it methodically every morning. No skipping around. No chasing novelty. Deep focus on material that builds foundational knowledge. Your learning compounds the same way money does. Small daily investments create massive long-term returns. Now let's talk about exactly how to apply what you learn. Because information without implementation is just entertainment. The next element bridges the gap between knowing and building wealth. 5. Identify your one wealth-building priority. Every morning, before the chaos begins, identify the single most important task that moves you toward wealth. Not 3 priorities, not 5. 1. The task that, if completed, makes everything else easier or irrelevant. Wealthy people have radical clarity about what matters. They don't spread their focus across a dozen equally urgent items. They identify the domino that knocks down all the others. Without a clear priority, you'll fill your day with busyness that feels productive but builds nothing. Email replies, meetings, tasks that check boxes but don't compound. By evening, you'll be exhausted but no closer to wealth. That pattern, repeated over years, creates the illusion of effort without the reality of progress. Each morning, write down this question: what single action would make today a win for my financial future? Answer it honestly. Then protect time to execute that action before anything else claims your attention. Complete your wealth-building priority before checking a single email. The discipline of first things first changes everything. But here's what most people get completely backwards. They think more tasks mean more progress. The opposite is true. Focus creates velocity. Scattered effort creates friction. The most productive people accomplish less but achieve more. Quality of priority beats quantity of activity, every single time. Let's pause and take inventory. You now have 5 elements of a wealth-building morning routine: consistent wake time, technology boundaries, physical activation, strategic learning, priority identification. These aren't random productivity hacks. They're wealth-compounding systems that run in the background of your life. But we're only halfway through. The next two elements are where the real magic happens. This is where morning routines transform from personal development into financial machinery. For those who want the complete playbook on building automated wealth systems, consider joining our channel membership. You get exclusive frameworks, advanced strategies, and access to a community of ambitious entrepreneurs engineering their financial futures. This is where serious wealth builders come to level up. Check the join button below. Section 6. Visualize your wealthy future self. Your brain doesn't clearly distinguish between vivid imagination and actual experience. When you visualize your wealthy future self in detail, you create neural pathways that guide behavior toward that reality. Spend 5 minutes each morning seeing yourself living the financial life you're building. Not vague daydreaming, specific, sensory-crim's visualization of the person you're becoming. Without a clear mental image of your destination, you're navigating without coordinates. Every decision becomes harder because you lack a reference point for what serves your future and what doesn't. People who never visualize their goals drift through life reacting to circumstances instead of creating them. They end up wherever momentum carries them. Close your eyes for 5 minutes each morning. Picture yourself 5 years from now, having achieved your wealth goals. See where you live. Feel the confidence in your body. Hear the conversations you're having. Make it vivid. Make it emotional. Your subconscious mind starts solving problems and identifying opportunities aligned with that vision automatically. Think about it like this. Every successful entrepreneur can describe their future in stunning detail before it exists. They've visited it so many times in their mind that building it feels like remembering rather than creating. The clarity isn't the result of success, it's the cause of it. Second, activate abundance through gratitude. The final element is counterintuitive but essential. Before chasing more, acknowledge what you already have. Gratitude shifts your mental state from scarcity to abundance. Scarcity creates desperation. Desperation creates poor decisions. Abundance creates confidence. Confidence creates opportunities. 3 minutes of genuine gratitude each morning rewires your relationship with wealth from chasing to attracting. People who operate from scarcity repel wealth even while pursuing it. Their energy communicates desperation. Their decisions reflect fear. They grab at short-term gains and sacrifice long-term positioning. The irony is brutal. The more desperately you chase wealth, the more it evades you. Gratitude breaks that cycle by shifting your emotional baseline. Every morning, write 3 things you're genuinely grateful for. Not generic answers. Specific moments, people, or circumstances that actually moved you. Feel the gratitude rather than just thinking it. This practice takes 3 minutes, but transforms the emotional frequency you carry into every interaction, decision, and opportunity throughout your day. Here's the challenge that separates the committed from the curious. You now have the complete morning framework that builds wealth on autopilot. 7 elements, 90 minutes. The question isn't whether this works. The question is whether you'll actually implement it. Most people won't. They'll nod along and return to chaotic mornings tomorrow. Don't be most people. 7 elements. 1. Wealth-building morning routine. Consistent wake time. Technology boundaries. Physical activation. Strategic learning. Priority identification. Future visualization. Gratitude practice. These elements compound silently, while others sleep. They stack advantages before the world demands your attention. They transform your first 90 minutes into a wealth-generating machine that runs on autopilot. Tomorrow morning is a choice. Will you react to the day or inverse it? Your answer determines whether wealth stays a dream or becomes your reality. Your move starts at 5 a.m.